Your Facebook ads aren't working, and before you blame the iOS updates, the competition, or the algorithm, the truth is you're probably making at least 3 of these 5 critical mistakes that are killing your ad performance. I've audited hundreds of Facebook ad accounts in the last 2 years, and I see the same patterns over and over again. Business owners spending $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, even $10,000 a month and getting terrible results because they're making these fundamental errors. And here's the crazy part. Most of these mistakes take less than 30 minutes to fix, but they're costing you thousands in wasted ad spend and missed opportunities. In the next few minutes, I'm gonna show you exactly what these mistakes are and how to fix them today. So let's dive in. Mistake number 1. Wrong campaign objective. I see this constantly. Business owners choosing engagement when they really want sales, picking traffic when they need leads, using reach when they want conversions. Here's what happens. Facebook optimizes for what you tell it to optimize for. So if you choose engagement, Facebook will show your ads to people who like and comment on posts, not people who buy. So here's the fix. If you want leads, use lead generation or conversions. If you want sales, use conversions with the purchase event. If you want phone calls, use conversions with call tracking. Stop optimizing for vanity metrics like likes and shares. Optimize for revenue. And here's mistake number 2. Your audience targeting is way too broad or way too narrow. Here's a too broad example. You got a location, entire United States, age 18 to 65, interest, health and wellness, audience size 50 million. Too narrow would be, example, age 35 to 40, income, top 10%, interests, cool sculpting and medical spas, and body contouring. Audience size, 1,200 people. Both of these will fail. The sweet spot is an audience size anywhere between 500,000 to 2 million people and a geographic radius anywhere between 15 to 30 miles from your business. And then the age range would be based on your actual customer data. And then on top of that, if you want, you can have 1 to 3 relevant interests, not 10. But here's a pro tip. Let Facebook's algorithm find your ideal customers, then create lookalike audiences based on your best patients. Mistake number 3. Your ads and landing pages look terrible on mobile. Reality check, 85% of Facebook users are on mobile devices, but I constantly see images with tiny text that are unreadable, landing pages that take 10 seconds to load, forms that are impossible to fill out on mobile, and videos that don't have captions. What's the result? Well, your cost per lead goes way up because people bounce immediately because it's just inconvenient. Here's the fix. With your images, make text large and bold. With the videos, add captions because 80% of people watch without sound. For your landing pages, always test on mobile, please, before you launch. If it looks bad, redo it. And then for your forms, try not to have more than 3 or 4 fields so that way it doesn't look terrible on the iPhone. And mistake number 4. This is massive. This is a big one. You don't have proper conversion tracking set up. Without conversion tracking, Facebook does not know who's converting, and you can't optimize for your best customers. You're pretty much just flying blind. And you can't build lookalike audiences because there's nothing for it to look alike, right? So here's what you need to track. Lead generation, you want to track form submissions, phone calls, and chat initiations. If you're doing e-commerce, you want to track purchases, add to carts, checkout initiations. If you're a service-based business, what you want to track is consultations, bookings, quote requests. And here's how to set it up. Install the Facebook pixel on your website and set up a conversion API, and then create a custom event for each action that you want to track. And test everything with Facebook's event testing tool. This is a non-negotiable. If you're not tracking conversions, you're just gambling with your ad budget. Mistake number 5. Launch your ads and never touch them again. Here's what typically happens. Week 1, great performance. Week 2, decent results. Week 3, performance drops off the cliff. And month 2, you're losing money. And month 3, you blame Facebook, you quit, say it doesn't work. This is called ad fatigue. Your audience gets tired of seeing the same ads, so performance naturally declines. Here's the solution, the 3-2-1 rule. Have 3 different ad creatives per ad set, 2 different audiences per campaign, and 1 new creative added every single week. Here's what you want to monitor daily. Your cost per result, is it trending up or down? Your frequency, if it's over 3, you need to do a refresh. And here's a bonus mistake I see everywhere, is spreading your budget too thin. Do not do this. 10 ad sets with $10 per day, do this instead. 2 to 3 ad sets with at least $30 to $50 per day each. Why? Facebook needs the volume to optimize. So what you want to do is give your best performing ads more budget and kill the losers quickly. Look, these mistakes are costing you serious money every single day. But here's the good news. Now you know exactly what to fix. But if you want to skip the trial and error and get a complete Facebook ads blueprint that includes proven ad templates, targeting strategies, landing page frameworks, and budget allocation formulas, click the link down below to join my course. And within 7 days, you can launch and scale your own profitable ad campaigns and stop making all these mistakes and start becoming profitable. But in the meantime, if this video saved you from wasting money on bad ads, hit that like button and subscribe for more strategies that actually work.